Alright, I looked around, I could never find a video to show you how to repair the door on a Canon mx2, mx92222 or mx922. So I've been, I tinkered around for a bit trying to figure out, you could print something on here. You could print, but every time you print, the door will stay shut, and it will make a grinding noise. It doesn't make a grinding noise, but it'll still print. But the door won't. But the door will stay shut. And that was the problem with this until I finally. This one in here I fixed it. So I'm going to show you what I have to do here to repeat what I did or whatever. Hopefully, first thing I did was I took all the trays out. See, all the trays are gone. I took all the trays out. Then we'll turn around. You take these 2 screws off the back. This is optional. If you can manage to fix this without doing this, be my guest. But I found it was easier. So take these 2 screws off the back. Right here. They're right next to the power connector. That one, and then that one. All right. And you don't have to. It shouldn't have to take too much stuff apart on this to do this kind of a fix. Except for just take this side panel off. And just take that side panel off. Yeah, and then after you get that side panel off, you need to pull off this this front corner piece, just so you can get to this. Just so you can get to the part that's the problem, because the problem is right here on this one hinge. The problem is right here on this one hinge, on this hinge right here. I got the fan in the background. That's what you're probably hearing, but yeah, your problem's on this front hinge right here. And the reason why I opened the scan door here is because you want to take a screwdriver. I don't know if I can get a shot of this, but right there, you see that little slit right there, that slot right there. Then I'll move down here, and then there should be right there. If you take a flat blade screwdriver, I find that this one worked out really good, and you stick it in there like that in these 2 spots. This whole side piece will just pop out. It'll pop out by itself, and you should be able to just pry this side piece off. And then once you get that this side piece off, then the front piece should be easy to take off. But step 1, I used it when, that's how you do that part. But I found the easy part to do first, before you take any of these parts off, is to remove this door first. And you just stick a, well, that's because, okay, there we go. On the side of the hinge, you want to stick your screwdriver, same screwdriver, and stick it along the side here and pry out a little bit. And then, see, that popped up pretty easy. Alright, and then you just do the same thing on the other side. I usually do it around the top portion of it, or no, wait a minute. Most people do it from down here, in the bottom down here, right down by the tray. Yeah, there's like a little knot towards the top of the hinge, right up here. And you just pry a little bit here. Well, I'll pause it right here until I get this hinge popped off and remove the door.